Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post a job on Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to indeed.com/recruitment. This is Indeed's dedicated recruitment portal, where employers can manage their job postings and find qualified candidates. Once the page loads, you'll see the main recruitment dashboard with various options available. On the page, look for and click on the Post a Job button. This will initiate the job posting process and take you through Indeed's step-by-step job creation workflow. The platform makes it easy to create professional job listings that reach millions of potential candidates. The first thing you'll need to do is input a job title in the designated field. Be specific and clear with your title, as this is what job seekers will see first when browsing listings. A well-written job title helps attract the right candidates and improves your posting's visibility in search results. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu for job location type. Click on this drop-down and choose the location type that best fits your position. You might select options like on-site, remote, or hybrid depending on how your role is structured. This helps candidates immediately understand the work arrangement. After selecting the location type, input the actual job location in the next field. This could be a specific city and state, or if it's a remote position, you might indicate that it's location flexible. Once you've entered this information, click Continue to move forward. Now you'll need to provide some hiring details. Input a hiring timeline that indicates when you're looking to fill this position. Then enter the number of people you plan to hire in the next 30 days. This information helps Indeed understand your recruitment urgency and can affect how your posting is prioritized. After filling in these details, click Continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked to specify the job type. Click on the option that applies to your position, such as permanent, temporary, contract, or internship. Selecting the correct job type ensures your listing reaches candidates looking for that specific employment arrangement. Once selected, click Continue. Now it's time to discuss compensation. You'll see options for how to display salary or pay information. For example, you might choose range as your display type. Then input the minimum and maximum numbers along with the pay rate, whether that's per hour, per year, or another time frame. Providing clear salary information helps attract serious candidates who know the position fits their expectations. If your position includes additional perks, you can add benefits in the next section. This might include health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, or other incentives. While this step is optional, listing benefits can make your posting more attractive and competitive. Once you've added any relevant benefits or chosen to skip this section, click Continue. Now comes one of the most important parts, the job description. In the text field provided, input a detailed job description that outlines the responsibilities, requirements, qualifications, and any other relevant information about the role. A well-crafted description helps candidates understand exactly what you're looking for and whether they're a good fit. After you've written your description, click Continue. At this point, a preview of your complete job posting will appear on the screen. Take a moment to review everything carefully, including the job title, location, type, salary, benefits, and description. Make sure all the information is accurate and presented clearly, as this is exactly how candidates will see your listing. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the Confirm button. After you confirm, Indeed will send your job posting to their review team to ensure it meets their posting guidelines and quality standards. This review process typically happens quickly, and you'll be notified once your job is live and visible to candidates. And that's it! You've successfully created and submitted a job posting on Indeed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.